So in this Kraken tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy JitoSolana, ticker symbol JitoSOL on Kraken. So once Kraken's opened up, you can go to the bottom, press on Explorer, then go to the search bar and type in search. Now, if you were to go ahead and type in JitoSOL, it may or may not show up. If it doesn't show up, that's because it's not available in your region. So another way you can find it is just pressing on X right here. We'll exit out of here. We'll go back to the home screen. We'll go to most popular right here. Then we'll go ahead and press on see more. And once you're on the see more page right here, you can just keep scrolling down until you come across JitoSOL, which is right here. You can go ahead and select it. Now, it's not available in my region because I'm in Canada, so if you're in a region that allows this, you can go to the bottom right, press on buy, and then you can follow the steps that way and then proceed with the transaction. So that is how to buy JitoSOL, ticker symbol JitoSOL on Kraken. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.